Here's the app called KATCH, recent follower tracker on Instagram. Getting some traction. So here you can see number one Instagram recent follow tracker. Catch the Instagram tracker built confused on my no more guessing. With Catch you can see who someone recently followed, get notified when they follow someone, user story anonymously, stay private. So Catch helps you easily track recent followers, unfollowers, toxic followers, anonymous story viewer. Whether you are curious about someone's latest follows, lost followers, or exposed connection, Catch has you covered. Your privacy is fully protected. Everything is fetched locally. So premium subscription is required to access the feature. Whether you are looking to track unfollowers, check Instagram, follower stats, monitor account growth, anonymous story viewer. Catch does it all safely and privately. See who they just followed recently, get notified when they follow someone, track multiple accounts, secure and private, track new follows and unfollows, and this is the app. So let's just open it up. So then you just need to log in with Instagram. You can just log with your Instagram. Be notified if new follows and unfollows. So you can see all kinds of stuff. Track many number of accounts. Who do you want to track? So for example, you just want to see this is how it looks like. And then you can see like that. They recently followed. And then you need to unlock it now. And then you can see 1 month or 1 week, $8 per week, or 1 month, $18 per month. And there is no free trial. And then you need to upgrade in here. So then you can see you just need to upgrade for this. And then you can see you can get a 50% discount for life. So this offer 1 hour comeback. So this is, you can see how you can get it for $4. So just for you, that's the idea, how you can get it cheaper. And then then you can just try it out. That's kind of the idea. So you need to upgrade basically to use this app. There are no referral codes. There's only this one deal where you can just get it a bit cheaper. So that's what it is. That's kind of the idea of the app. So, try it out.